Hi guys, I hope you are all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. So I decided to do a mini little travel to Dubai, and yeah, I didn't really take like the footage of me at the airport and all that stuff because first off, traveled at night, so I was very exhausted by the time I got here. Yeah, staying at Hayat Centric Jumeirah in Dubai, and I wanted to show you the entire space. I figured I should take you along with me, so enjoy. Welcome guys to Hayat Centric Jumeirah in Dubai. This is how the exterior, the outside of the hotel looks like. Amazing, right? It looks really good. It's one of the most amazing hotels here in the UAE. Literally, even the taxi driver was like, you guys are staying at the most amazing place ever. It's really cute, to be honest, starting from the outside. So there's the Dubai flag and a flag of the hotel. So Hayat Centric basically has a series of hotels in different countries, and this is one of them. So yeah, this is basically the entryway to the hotel. Everything is automated. Normally you would find cars to pick you up just right to the entrance. And yeah, as you can see, this is just an amazing space. It's a lobby where you can just chill and wait, you know, sign in, whatever the case may be. But I love how thoughtful everything is. Very aesthetically pleasing. And the outside just has views. You have the lounge area, the bar area, the pool. Yeah, everything looks amazing. Yeah, so I just wanted to make sure that I have shown you how the outside area looks like before we can proceed to the room. Yeah, I hope you're loving it so far. Hey guys, very excited to take you to the room. This is the official room tour of Hayat Centric Jumeirah. So basically this is where we start. When you leave the elevator, look how sophisticated this looks. So basically this is just the corridor and the hallway to the room. It looks amazing, as you can already tell. So I'm just going to fast track the corridor. Obviously, I don't want you guys to stay looking at the corridor the whole time. Plus, I am cognizant of the fact that there's a bit of background noise, so don't worry about that. But yeah, this looks amazing. It's just, I am so obsessed already. I mean, obviously, I've taken a sneak peek of the room already. Just to guarantee if it was YouTube worthy. I'm kidding. I would have shown you even if I didn't think it was. But yeah, this is the room. As you can see, even the entrance just looks amazing. I'm gonna be using this card to access it. Yeah. Ooh, voila. And when you get in, the first thing that you are going to see is obviously the doors. It looks amazing. I'm gonna just turn the lights on. Ooh, look at how it looks with the lights turned on. The first thing you see when you get in is this beautiful mirrors. If you know me and if you've come to my house, you know that I have mirrors almost everywhere, because mirrors and aesthetics for me, they're just much. So to think that this is what they have for their entrance space, it's just amazing. I love how the mirrors here make this space look amazing. Guys, I know you can tell I'm excited. I am really. So this looks pretty great. And yeah, this beautiful sink. This space has like a marble effect. Don't worry about this, I just used it. But yeah, it looks really nice. Even the storage space, literally even the trash bin looks classy. Yeah, and then right next to it is a washroom space. Just a basic washroom, but you know, it still looks great. I love the marble effect on the walls as well. It just looks amazing. And right next to it, let me just make sure that the lights are turned on. Perfect. Right next to it is the bathroom area, When you walk in, you have sort of like a storage space here, and then the usual like shower gel, shampoo, and the conditioner, and the bathtub. I cannot wait to come and just chill here and think about my life. Because honestly, I can't believe this is my life. I'm just really grateful to God. But yeah, generally this is how the place looks when you get in. Now, when you're done with that, we have this amazing, hallway. So basically, we have a storage space that has like a coffee maker, just lots of stuff, water, tea bags, the usual beverage place in a hotel, and just a couple of things. There's a safe in here, more storage space for a couple of things, and if you have things that you'd like to store here, especially things you just want to pick and go as you work out. Mirrors again, so you can tell I'm a happy girl. Given that they just considered having mirrors everywhere, but this mirror is beautiful. I like that it runs through the entire space. Love it. And we haven't unpacked yet, so this is just how the space looks for now. And look at this. I mean, we came here and decided to like sleep, me and my friend. So the beds are not as tidy as they should be, but look at how beautiful it is. I like that it's black but still has this tiny detail at the middle, and obviously white bed sheets. And look at this lighting and the art. My god, it's just amazing. And I love this wardrobe area, because look just how beautiful it is. It's not just the basic hotel wardrobe, so I'll show you how it looks when you open it up. Yeah, look how it opens up, like lights automatically turn on when you open it, similar to what happens here as well. Yet to pack things, so the only thing there is my jacket, but this is how it looks. Damn, beautiful, amazing stuff. So on this other end is our TV. This is our passports, a bin, a beautiful chair just to chill, more like a lounge chair, and then we have the art on that other side as well. So cute. And not all my government names being displayed on the TV. Let's not talk about it, but yeah. This looks beautiful. I really love this chairs as well. It's amazing. It's a set of two. I think when we just make like coffee, me and my friend can just chill here and relax. I really love this. I think it's a beautiful addition to any hotel room. It's just giving everything that it's supposed to give. And now guys, are you ready for my favorite part of this hotel room? I doubt you are. It's the view for me. It's the view for me. Look at this view, but before that, I have another view. Say hi to my peeps. Say hi. Say hi.
Camera shy.
Are you though? Yeah, this is my friend Rachel. We are both very happy to be here. And before I go, these two beautiful chairs. So we'll just be chilling here. But look at the view. I can't get over it, guys. I could cry. I can't really believe this is our life right now. The view is viewing. It's giving everything it's supposed to give. I like that it has a view of like most of the major places that people visit in Dubai. But also look at how our pool looks. This is where we'll be going swimming, the lounge area, everything. This honestly is probably the best hotel I've ever stayed in. It's still pretty new, and we decided to come test it out. Love everything so far, and I'm sure you guys love it too. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video as much as I have enjoyed showcasing this room. But yeah, it's such an amazing space. Love it. Thank you for watching. Please stay tuned for the next video because I'm going to take you through every activity that I will be taking part in here in Dubai. We have come to experience the city, so there's a lot in store for you. So you better stay tuned, and while you're at it, please remember to subscribe, like this video, and have an amazing one. I love you guys so much. Bye. Bye.